All right, I've turned on a recording. Please don't give out any confidential information while the recording is on. Today's date, September 29th, 2021. In Lubbock, Texas, I call number 2012-502058 in the interest of Gonzalez Bryan children. What says the state?
State is present and ready, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Crump. Yvonne Bryan has appeared today. Are you ready by telephone? Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Bryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present by telephone is Pete Gonzalez. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Listen carefully. Ms. Crump is going to announce the agreement. Go ahead, Ms. Crump.
Your Honor, the parties have agreed to child support in the amount of $191 per month starting October 1st, 2021. That is based on minimum wage presumption with one other child outside of this case. Ms. Bryan is going to be the obligor for insurance and shall maintain the children on the government medical assistance program. And Mr. Gonzalez has agreed to pay $50 a month cash medical toward that. The arrearages as of August 31st, 2021 for child support are $21,055.10. And Mr. Gonzalez has agreed to pay that at $125 per month starting October 1st, 2021. The arrears for medical as of August 31st, 2021 are $2,891.37. And Mr. Gonzalez has agreed to pay that at $35 per month starting October 1st, 2021, and has agreed to enter into the Choices program and court costs due in 1 year as billed. And that is the agreement.
All right. Let me ask you, Ms. Bryan, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you think it's in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, is that in fact
Yes,
the
ma'am.
agreement you're making today, sir?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
And you also think it's good for your children?
Yes.
All right, and I do have someone here from the workforce who will meet with you right as soon as I'm done speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
That program, sir, that's a very effective program, and I think you will have some success with that. I'm glad you're taking advantage of it. All right, I'm
Yes, ma'am.
approving your agreement. Ms. Crump is going to prepare an order for my signature. I will sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you have a new hearing in front of the district judge, and they would start over and make their own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy in the mail in about 2 weeks. If you don't get one by email or regular mail, call the Lubbock Central AG's office and remind them to send one to you. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good
Yes,
luck
ma'am.
to you and your families. Ms. Bryan, you may hang up. And Mr. Gonzalez, if you will hold on, we will get you together with Ms. Griffith to talk about the workforce program, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Y'all ready?
Thank you both. Bye-bye, Ms. Bryan.
I don't know. This is Stephanie Washington.
Yes, ma'am.
Your case was
Can
set
you
at
hear
9
me?
o'clock.
Ma'am.
Your case was set at 9 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am. And I have the I couldn't I was trying to sign on to the phone thing, so I had to download Zoom because I couldn't get through. And I've done it a few times and it just told me that I was kicked off.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Meadows, I show that Mr. Smith Was not served?
That's what I show as well. Let me double check that on my system though.
He did call me and ask me about it today.
Do you know if he's gonna join us?
I don't know, because I've been messaging him since earlier too to tell him that I don't know how to sign in and he hasn't responded. If you give me just a second, I can keep texting.
Yeah, because we don't not show service. So
Okay, Stephanie, I'm gonna put you on mute. When you come back on, you'll unmute your device, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sorry. But yes, we talked about it a few days ago. I might be wrong, but he called me and said that he was served paperwork because he was like, why are you suing me? And I said, no, I'm not suing you. That's our court paperwork. It just has that, we have to show up or respond within so many days. I got it by an email
Okay, let me double
last
check.
night. Okay.
Let me
'Cause
double
he-
check
he-
with the Lubbock County records and see if there is a return on him.
Yes, ma'am. Because he got his before me. He was actually who told me about it. I just got my email last night, but I knew we had another set date to come back to court, though. I did know that
Okay,
because he made it to the first one. I was gonna say, yeah, he did. Because isn't this a follow up? Yeah, he
Um,
showed up to the first one.
It's one of those what they call legal technicalities, Miss Washington. To go ahead without him, he actually needs to have some police officer or a constable or somebody come out and hand him the paperwork.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
So that's what we're checking to see if that has happened.
Oh,
no, Your
okay.
Honor. No, Your Honor, it has not.
Okay.
All right.
There is no official service.
Okay. Well, Ms. Washington, we're going to have to reset this probably for January and get that officer out there and get him served with the paperwork, okay?
Okay. And I do want to mention that the last child support hearing that we had was, I think, last month or a couple of months ago. We really didn't get anything established, but Kendrick has set, I think he has his bank account set up. He actually has made 3 child support payments.
Okay,
since
ma'am,
then.
we'll take that up when you come back.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am.
That's okay. Well, that's something that you'll discuss with the Attorney General's office when you come
Oh,
back.
okay.
And then if you guys have a hearing, it'll be brought up before the judge.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I just wanted to make it, known that he's been.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, progress is being made.
Yes,
But,
it very much.
I
I
can't talk to you personally about your case right now, Ms. Washington.
I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I understand.
Thank you, ma'am, for calling in or for appearing today, and we'll get you reset probably at the end of January, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Thank you, Ms. Washington. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.